Have you ever realized a woman is almost never truly alone? Behind that quiet phone screen, there are always dozens, maybe hundreds of guys trying to get her attention. Some show up with luxury cars, some have great physiques, some rely on charm and sweet words. Everyone brings something to the table. And among all of them, there's you. Maybe you don't have a flashy car, don't have the perfect body, aren't smooth with words, but you have something most guys don't: understanding. Because a man who understands psychology knows one key thing. Power doesn't come from being the most impressive, but from being the hardest to forget. Most guys are too busy trying to stand out, texting every day, giving gifts, sending songs, writing sweet messages, all just to impress. But the truth is, the harder you try to stand out, the more you blend in. Because for women, this isn't about logic. She doesn't think, she feels. And what she feels isn't just your words, it's your energy, tone, presence, behavior. From that, she can sense whether you're calm or needy, stable or nervous. And trust me, women are very good at picking that up. That's why the more you try to make her like you, the lower your value becomes in her eyes. The moment you start changing yourself just to please her, you're no longer yourself. You become just another version of the same guy she's already seen. And at that point, you've already lost. But there's another path. A path only a few men understand. This isn't about tricks. It's not about sweet lines. It's about understanding how the human mind and emotions actually work. A man who understands psychology knows that women don't fall for looks alone. They fall for the emotional experience they feel around you. She doesn't fall for the most handsome guy. She falls for the one who makes her feel something rare. That's the difference. Other guys try harder. You stay calm. Other guys chase. You stay grounded. Because you understand the more you chase, the less attractive you become. Women don't fall in love with effort, bro. They fall in love with mystery. Look at it this way. There are guys who text good morning every day, send memes every hour, constantly invite her out. They look consistent. But in the end, same result. Because what's easily available quickly becomes boring. A man who understands psychology knows this rule. Too much without boundaries equals low value. Predictable behavior equals no attraction.
Yeah.
Every instant reply, excessive compliment, constant attention sends the same message: I need you. Please choose me. And that's where attraction dies. Think about this. You're interviewing someone for a job, and they say, I'll do anything, just hire me. Would you respect that? No. You'd feel sorry for them. Because real confidence is never announced. It's felt, and women feel that too. She doesn't fall for the guy who tries too hard to impress her. She falls for the guy who makes her feel something she can't even explain. And that's not about what you do. It's about what you choose not to do. You. Don't chase, don't force, don't compete for attention, because you understand desire grows in space, not in pressure. Sometimes your silence speaks louder than words, not because you're playing games, but because your life already has direction. And women can tell the difference between a man who's silent to manipulate and a man who's silent because he has purpose. The man who doesn't compete creates curiosity. She starts thinking, why is he different? And from there, curiosity, attention, attraction. Other guys chase. You create mystery. Other guys try to impress. You control your energy. That's not arrogance. That's strategy. You're not just another admirer. You become an experience. And from that point, everything changes. Women can sense a man who doesn't need validation. That's different. You carry an energy that's calm, deep, grounded. You walk into a room without seeking attention, but people feel your presence. That's not luck. That's emotional stability. Other guys try to please. You stay centered. Other guys try to fit into her world. You already have your own world. Here's the key principle. The winner isn't the one who plays harder, but the one who changes the game. While others chase, you're the one who can walk away. And that's when your position completely shifts. She's used to guys who reply instantly, chase constantly, match her energy. But you're different. Not because you're cold, but because you understand emotional rhythm. Because once she can predict you, the mystery disappears. And without mystery, there's no spark. Your power isn't in what you do for her, but in what you make her feel inside. When you stop playing her game, her mind starts asking, why isn't he like the others? And that question sticks. You're not rude, you're not cold, you're just unreadable. And what can't be read always creates curiosity. That's why silence can be more powerful than 1,000 sweet words. Because behind your silence, there is control, strength, self-worth. You don't need validation to feel enough. And that, bro, is the strongest magnet. Women don't remember the nicest guy. They remember the one who made them feel the most alive. Not through drama, but through depth. You don't just give attention. You touch something inside her that even she doesn't fully understand. And that's what makes you irreplaceable. Because at the end of the day, women don't look for the man who loves them the most. They look for the man who makes them feel something unforgettable. And that can only be done by a man who understands psychology. Thank you for watching. Hope this helps. Stay sharp, stay strong.